Hello and welcome to Yokogawa and Michael, who today will be talking to us about power analyzers and oscilloscopes and the ScopeCorder. Now, Michael, tell us reasons why you would choose a ScopeCorder over a power analyzer and or an oscilloscope.
So the ScopeCorder will offer the capability not only to measure the electrical signals like the other two instruments do, but it also offers the capability to measure at the same time physical parameters like strain, vibration, temperature, etc. And it can read data for communication buses. Compared to the oscilloscope, which is designed to measure very short phenomena, the DL950 ScopeCorder can measure over a longer period of time. And it can also perform power calculations. So almost similar to the Power Analyser, although the Power Analyzer offers high accuracy. But still, if you want to tune your instrument during design, or if you want to monitor power consumption over a long period of time, then you can use the ScopeCorder as well.
So, Michael, when would I use an oscilloscope?
So the oscilloscope you will be using if you want to capture very fast electrical signals. So when you start designing and select single components and you want to see the behavior of different components or maybe gauge signals of an inverter, you will be taking the oscilloscope as your primary tool.
Excellent. Okay, good. And then let's just move over here to the power analyzer. Where in the whole ecosystem of things does its best work?
Yeah, so you will rely on the power analyzer when you want to verify the power consumption or efficiency of your device. So whether it's from your own specifications you were aiming at during the design phase, or you have regulations by governmental, when you want to comply to these, you will be taking the power analyzer and you will benefit of the high accuracy it will offer.
Right, okay. So the reason why we'd like the listeners and watchers to understand this is that with the ScopeCorder, we take some of the best things from the oscilloscope, so some of the best things from the power analyzer, and we then put them into the one instrument.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So now give us an introduction about the ScopeCorder and what the benefits are of this product.
So with the ScopeCorder, you can take benefit from the main functions of an oscilloscope. So that's also where the name comes from, at least the first part, ScopeCorder. So the scope will take all functionalities like trigger, like measurement capabilities from an oscilloscope. But where this is aimed at, the oscilloscope aimed at very short phenomena, the ScopeCorder will be able to capture for a much longer period of time. And besides that, it will also can do some power measurement functions and other calculations during this time. It will perform it in real time. It will not offer the same accuracy, but when you're fine-tuning your device, it's enough to see whether things are improving or getting worse, so you can see where you're going to.
Okay, in summary, this is just an introductory to the three products that we have here. Just to be absolutely clear, Yokogawa really enjoy helping you use these products, both the power analyzer and the oscilloscope. Again, very happy that you buy them and very happy that you use them in your everyday work. What we'd like to do is introduce you to the whole idea of this ScopeCorder, which very comfortably sits in between these two products and brings different benefits to your everyday work.